Are you looking for an easy way to unlink apps from your Apple ID? In this short tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps of unlinking apps from your Apple ID so that you can have full control over which apps are connected. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap where it says Password and Security. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Sign in with Apple. Your Apple ID can be used to sign in to apps and websites. So go ahead and tap on that. And now you'll be able to see a list of all the apps using your Apple ID to sign in. If you want to unlink any specific app from your Apple ID, just tap on the app that you want to unlink. And then you'll see an option at the bottom called Stop using Apple ID. So go ahead and tap Stop using Apple ID. And then Stop using. If you have a lot of apps that use your Apple ID to sign in, just tap Edit at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the minus button next to the app that you want to unlink. And then tap Delete. And tap Stop using. So you can follow these simple steps to quickly unlink a lot of apps using your Apple ID. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.